Hey there! So take about 1 whole cup of rice and wash it properly. Today we'll be making delicious dosas, different type of dosas, using a different kind of method, not the regular kind. So after washing it properly, soak it for about an hour. 40 minutes to 1 hour is sufficient. You needn't soak it for a longer time. So now we'll be taking about 1/4 or less amount of groundnuts. So yeah, you might say this, okay, groundnut dosa is quite common. Why did you say it's a unique method of making dosa? Usually you soak groundnuts while making dosa, but here we are actually roasting it, dry roasting it. This adds different kind of flavor, texture, and altogether the dosa turns extremely delicious. This is one of a kind method. That is the reason why I've been using the word unique method of making dosa. So you'll have to roast this groundnuts properly and make sure that the skin is on. You needn't remove the skin. Now take about 1 teaspoon jeera, some onions, and just about 1 onion I've cut into pieces, and few red chilies. Red chilies, those you can add based on your taste. If you want to be more spicy, you can add more, and if you want it to be less less spicy, you can add less number of red chilies. So I am making the dosa which is on medium spicy level, so that is the reason why I added just 3 chilies. Now I added the soaked rice, and now we'll grind it. Yeah, of course, adding salt. Now here comes the dosa. This is how the batter is supposed to be, like rava dosa kind of batter, watery. This is how the dosa will be. You cannot have thick batter, it has to be this way, watery kind. Add some oil. That does look colorful, isn't it? Trust me guys, this is one of the delicious dosas I've ever eaten. So definitely give it a try. You're going to love it to bits. So we are showing you another dosa. It's quite easy, if you are used to preparing rava dosas, just the same way you'll be preparing this dosa too, and it gets easily flipped on. Here you go. Now we are eating it with roasted gram chutney. It tastes good with coconut chutney, and guess what, even without chutney it will taste delicious as itself, because it will be having those red chilies and all. So you can eat it just like that as a snack. Give it a try. Thank you.